As a landlord, welcoming new tenants can be a challenging and time-consuming task. It's a delicate balance between making them feel at home while ensuring that your rental property is well maintained and ready for occupancy. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving into the world of property management to bring you top tips for welcoming your tenants. Let's ensure that their move-in is as smooth as possible. Tip number 1. Perform a move-in inspection. It's essential to document the property's condition before tenants move in. Ensure both parties sign the checklist. This will set the foundation for trust. Number 2. Swiftly address any issues discovered during the inspection, like burnt-out light bulbs and malfunctioning smoke detectors. It shows your commitment and can help avoid disputes. Number 3. Clean the rental unit. Nothing says welcome like a sparkling clean home. Focus especially on the bathroom and kitchen areas. Number 4. Write a welcome letter. A warm welcome letter can set a positive tone. It's the little touches that show you care. Number 5. Consider a welcome package with essential items. It's a thoughtful gesture that goes a long way. Number 6. Provide essential information. Equip your tenants with crucial property and neighborhood information. Help them settle in with ease. Number 7. Help with moving logistics. Recommend reliable moving services and be considerate of the move-in process. Number 8. Be responsive and accessible. Open lines of communication are vital. Be there for your tenants. Number 9. Promote a sense of community. It enhances the living experience and can lead to long-term tenancy. By making tenants feel welcome, you boost retention rates, foster positive relationships, and gain glowing reviews. But how can you manage all this efficiently? Enter DoorLoop. Our property management software streamlines these tasks, making the move-in process efficient for both landlords and tenants. It's a win-win. Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.